In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the sidebar in Todoist quickly and easily. If you use Todoist every day, this is a great way to make the app feel cleaner, simpler, and more useful for your workflow. You can choose what appears in the sidebar, remove things you don't need, and even turn off the task count if you want a more minimal look. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, open Todoist and look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. This is where Todoist keeps most of its customization options, including the sidebar settings. Once the settings window opens, look for the sidebars option and click on it. This section is specifically for controlling what you see in the sidebar on the left side of your Todoist workspace. It gives you more control over the layout, so you can keep only the items that matter most to you. Now from here, you can decide exactly what you want to see on the sidebar. Depending on your preferences, you may want to keep certain sections visible so you can access them faster, or hide items that make the sidebar feel cluttered. This is especially helpful if you like a clean interface or if you only use a few Todoist features regularly. You can also disable the task count if needed. The task count is what shows the number of tasks next to different sections in the sidebar. If you find that distracting, or if you just prefer a cleaner view, simply turn that option off. That way, your sidebar looks more minimal and focused. After you've made your changes, just close the settings window and go back to your main Todoist screen. Your sidebar should now reflect the layout and preferences you selected. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient Todoist feels for your daily planning. So that's how to customize the sidebar in Todoist. You've now learned how to open settings, access the sidebar options, choose what you want visible, and disable the task account if you want a cleaner look. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Todoist tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.